Okay, so I worked out a new Instagram hack the other day that I really want to share with you. If you want to add an Instagram highlight without actually posting a story that everyone can see, then this is a video for you. So let's sort it. This method is fast, sneaky, and it keeps your profile looking polished without spamming all your followers. So first of all, we're going to open Instagram, the app we all love to hate, and head to your profile. Tap those 3 lines, aka the menu of mystery. Scroll down until you see who can see your content, because right now we want the answer to be no one. Tap hide story and live, then hide story and live from, and select all your followers. Yep, all of them. No one is invited to this party. Now this is going to hide your story from everyone so you can upload in peace without alerting the masses. Now the upload bit. Go back to your home screen, tap your profile pic to start a new story. Upload the story content that you want in your highlight. Maybe it's a service list, maybe it's a promo or a behind the scenes gem. Now tap the arrow button on the bottom right, then tap share. Now don't panic, no one's going to be seeing this thanks to the stealth mode we just activated. Now add it to your highlight, create a new one or pop it in an existing one. You're cool. Tap done. Now it's neatly in your highlights and no one saw a thing. Now the cleanup job, we need to go back to settings, hide story from, and undo the hide all settings. Deselect everyone because your future stories probably should be visible unless you're planning a long-term career in digital espionage. So you have added a highlight without ever posting a visible story. Your profile looks great, no one's been bothered, and you're free to carry on like the organised content wizard that you are. Need more no-nonsense Instagram tips? Make sure to hit like, subscribe and follow for more practical marketing help minus the fluff.